So special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this power tool organizer rack. Now, I'm just going to show you the unboxing of it, but you can see what it looks like put together. You have plenty of room to hang all of your power tools here and here, room for screws, shelves for things, everything you should need to organize your power tools in your garage. I'd of course show it put together, but I don't have a garage. So this is the box, nothing really special around the box. Just that's the model number of ours, the SM102 4BZUS. And let's open it on up. All right, so take that out. Oh, wow. So that's it for the box. Just another piece of foam in there. And so it's just some plastic pieces for shipping. Looks like you get everything that you'd need. That's all of your screws, anchors, etc. right in this pack where you would hang your power tools. Look at this. Love it. A full instruction guide. So this tells you everything you'll need to know to put this together. So when you get this item, you can just follow these steps and get this whole thing together, and it'll look exactly like that in no time. Take a look at everything else. Here's the so this looks like the side pieces from what we can see here. And it looks like everything kind of snaps in and some of it's screwed in. That's very nice. Got two of these. Everything's also labeled for you. So very, very cool. Holds screws, driver bits, etc. Like it a lot. And then here's the main bottom part of the rack. That one was the side one here. This is the main bottom one here. And then lastly, two very nice, even green shelves. Nice metal shelves. I really like it. And personally, I love the color. An amazing color that honestly, if you have Ryobi devices, this would match perfectly with Ryobi devices. But there you go. That is everything that would come inside of this power tool organizer rack. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.